The business model. What do Nespresso, Uber, and Netflix have in common? They didn't just invent a new product, they invented a new way of doing business. Welcome. Today we are deconstructing the most misused term in the corporate world, the business model. You hear it everywhere. We need to pivot our business model. But what does that actually mean? Is it just how you make money? No. Think of it as a story. Peter Drucker called it the theory of the business. It answers the age-old questions. Who is your customer? What do they value? And how do you deliver that value at a profit? To visualize this, we use the business model canvas. Imagine your business on a single page. The right side is the front stage. Your customers, your channels, your revenue, the emotion. The left side is the backstage. Your resources, activities, and costs, the logic. A business model is the magic that happens when these two sides fit together perfectly. By the way, I have some good news. You can download this exact template for free directly from Strategizer's website. And if you're wondering how to use it, stay tuned. I'll be releasing a video soon where we'll take a closer look at the business model canvas. Let's look at the masters of the game. Nespresso. They don't just sell coffee. They use the bait and hook pattern. The machine is the bait, often sold at little to no profit. Why? To lock you in. Once you have the machine, you must buy their pods. That is the hook. They captured the high-margin recurring revenue and locked out the competition. Now, consider Airbnb. They are the world's largest accommodation provider, yet they own no real estate. This is the platform model. They don't make the product, they connect people. Their asset is trust. By solving the trust issue between strangers, they unlocked a massive inventory of spare rooms. The more hosts join, the more guests come. This is the network effect. But it's not just consumer apps. Rolls-Royce changed aviation with power by the hour. They stopped selling engines. Instead, they sell uptime. Airlines pay for every hour they fly. If the engine breaks, Rolls-Royce pays. This aligns incentives perfectly. Rolls-Royce builds better engines to avoid fixing them. They moved from selling metal to selling performance. So, what's next? We are seeing the rise of circular models, like Mud Jeans leasing denim to recycle the cotton, and AI is shifting us from software as a service to outcome as a service. In 2025, you won't pay for the tool, you'll pay for the result. A product can be copied, a price can be beaten, but a strong business model? That is a fortress. Don't just design a better mousetrap, design a better way to sell it. Thanks for watching. I really hope you learned something new today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next one, and as always, let's get to work.